Welcome to Cotton Creation. So today I am bringing you part 2 of our lion's mane shake and bake with a cashew cream sauce pasta. I'm covering the pasta in this video. If you missed the lion's mane shake and bake video, I will tag it up above as well as in the description box. So first things first, we're going to get our pasta going. So in our pasta water, we're going to add some salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt and some better than bouillon veggie flavor to flavor that, and we're going to go ahead and get our pasta boiling. Next, I'm going to boil my cashews to get them soft. If you don't want to boil them, feel free to soak them overnight. And then to a blender, I'm going to add the boiled cashews, some onion, and some minced garlic. Don't worry, we're going to season this up in the pan. If for some reason your blender is having a hard time with your cashews, feel free to add a little bit of water or vegan milk to it, but you shouldn't need much. Next, let's go ahead and cook our pasta sauce. So I'm going to start off with some vegan butter, and to that I'm just going to add in some bell peppers. Now, I really wanted red bell pepper, but to my surprise, it had gone bad on me. So we did have orange bell peppers. So I was like, you know what? Orange is close enough to red, so we just going to go with the orange today. So to that, I'm just going to go ahead and add in my cream sauce, and then I'm going to add in some better than bouillon as well as some water. I put the water in the blender so I could kind of use that to get all the residue of the cashew sauce out of the blender and into my pan. So feel free to do the same. And then we're going to go in with some follow your heart shredded Parmesan cheese, because we want this to be like a creamy, like cheesy kind of flavor. But then we're going to flavor this baby up. So as you can see, I'm going in with the ground thyme with some ground sage, as well as some complete seasoning. And then from there, I'm just going to add in some seasoning salt, and some crushed red peppers. And what else did I put in here? I think some black pepper. So now we're just going to stir this up and stir it all together to make sure that all those spices are very well incorporated. Now, one thing I want you to know about this sauce is that it will thicken up on you as you are cooking it over the heat. So you may have to go back and add in some water. Feel free to add your pasta water. So save some of that if you want to use that. That's totally fine because it's seasoned and flavored already. So I told you I added pepper, just not in that previous clip. But yeah, so you want to make sure that you're keeping an eye on the sauce because, like I said, it will thicken up on you and you'll have to go back in and add some more water. And then I'm just adding a little bit of lemon juice to it just to kind of liven it up a bit. And then I'm just going to go ahead and toss my pasta in it and get that all fully incorporated and making sure all the pasta is coated. Now, in this particular dish or pan, I couldn't fit all my pasta in it, so I'm going to coat it in batches. So don't worry about all the extra sauce that you see. It does get used up with other pasta that's waiting to get coated. So from there, that's it. We're just going to go ahead and assemble our dish. I'm just going to put my pasta down first, and then I'm just going to add my lion's mane shake and bake on top. And that is it. So let me know what you guys think of this recipe. I absolutely love it. My non-vegan family and friends don't even know it's made out of cashews until I tell them, and they're always stunned by it. But if you want the recipe, it is in the description box down below. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.